Question 2 here with this T method. A girl wishes to cross the river 50 meters wide in a boat. So here's my riverbank. It flows at 2t. The river is 50 meters wide. Here's my other riverbank. And the boat can travel at 1 meter a second in still water going in this direction or the other direction. So this is going to be 1t or t. She's here, wants to get to here. And she wants to land 120 meters downstream. So we'll call this one in here 120. So straight away we can get x here. X is going to be the square root of 50 squared plus 120 squared. It's like my 5 to 12 triangle. So the answer to that one is going to be 130. Just double check it. 130 meters. I can also get the angle A from inside the triangle here. I'll call this one in here A. So the tan of A is equal to O over A, 50 over 120, or 5 over 12. So A in this case is going to be 22.6, so 62 degrees for A. So we can get this angle inside the triangle now. We should be able to, using my T's, because I have the angle opposite T here. So just do a little triangle again. So I have my 22.62. I have my flow of 2t and my flow of t. And I'm going to get this angle B. So 2t over the sine of B is equal to t over the sine of 22.62. So dividing by t and cross multiplying, I'm going to get 2 sine 22.62 is equal to, now this will be a 1. If we imagine a 1t here, it's just going to be 1 times the sine of b. So that's going to be my sine of b. So that's going to give me the sine of b to be 0.76923. So 0.7692. Which would give me an angle B of, it's going to be 50.282 degrees, 50.28 degrees. For the second angle, B is going to be 180 minus 50, which is 130. So minus 0.28, 129.72 degrees. So let's find our times. So I have, what do we get here? 130. We have 22.62. Scenario 1 for B, 50.28. I have my 2t, my t. This angle here is 180 minus 22.62 minus 50.28, which is going to be 72.9, which would leave 107.1 degrees. So I can say that the sine of 107.1 degrees divided by 130 is equal to the sine of 22.62 over t. So cross multiplying 130 sine 22.62 is equal to t times the sine of 107.1. So if I divide by the sine of 107.1, that will give me t, which is equal to, it's going to give me 52.312, 52.31 seconds. Does it ask us to round it off to the nearest second? 52 seconds. Scenario 1 and scenario 2, we would have to replace the 107 with this angle is going to be 180. The 22.62 is steady. And then minus, instead of 50, we have 129.72. So it's going to give me this angle, and so instead of 107, I can replace this 107 down here with this new angle, which is 27.66 degrees. So 130 sine 22.62 divided by the sine of 27.66 degrees is going to give me my other t. So scenario 1, 52, and scenario 2, 107.707.7. So round this to the nearest second, 108 seconds are the two answers in this case.